6 years ago, Tawnee and I lived in an expensive city, watching housing costs spiral out of control and wondering if there was a better way. Today, we live in a 2,400 square foot Barndominium home on 11 peaceful acres in the mountains, without a 30-year mortgage. How we got from there to here wasn't what we expected. And if you think you can't afford to own a home, this video might change your mind. Hi, my name is Matthew. I've been a mortgage broker and a real estate agent. But more importantly, I know what it feels like to look at home prices and wonder if home ownership is still possible. Because 6 years ago, that was us. And we solved that problem in a way most people never consider. Here's what most people are living with right now. You look at home prices in your area and the numbers just don't work. A traditional home costs $400,000 or more. The mortgage payment alone would consume most of what you bring home every month. So you keep renting, or you're living with family, telling yourself you'll figure it out eventually. Meanwhile, prices keep moving further out of reach, and the dream starts to feel less like a goal and more like a fantasy. And that's because most people only know one path to home ownership. Find a house in the area where you already live, come up with a large down payment, and get a traditional mortgage. And when that doesn't work, the whole dream feels impossible. And so you wait. You save a little here, spend a little there, and the years go by without anything changing. But here's what Tawnee and I discovered. The path that felt impossible was only one of several paths that existed. We just couldn't see the others yet. We knew we wanted something different. We wanted land, space, peace, quiet, and a home we could afford to own without being buried in debt for 30 years. We weren't looking for something glamorous. We were looking for something affordable, something that would give us stability instead of stress. So we started asking a different question. Not, how do we afford the home everybody told us to want? But what kind of home can we actually afford to own? And that question changed everything for us. We found an affordable piece of land in a beautiful location. We started with a shed-to-cabin conversion while we developed the property. And then we built the Barndominium home we live in today. The exterior shell of our 2,400 square foot Barndominium cost $60,000 to build on a concrete slab. We hired a builder for the shell and have been finishing out the interior ourselves ever since. We expect the total to come in around $200,000 for a 2,400 square foot home. For context, a traditional home of this size in most markets would cost between $380,000 and $525,000. But here's the part of the story most people don't know. 4 days after we moved into the shell of our Barndominium, the company I'd worked with for 17 years laid off 25% of the staff, including me. We had been offered a construction loan that would have allowed us to fully finish the home before moving in. We turned it down because we didn't want a big mortgage. That decision saved us. If we had taken that loan, we would have lost the Barndominium, the cabin, and our land. Instead, we moved into an unfinished shell, had no mortgage payment, and figured out how to keep moving forward. That's what building without a big mortgage actually meant in real life for us. It wasn't just a preference. It was the thing that protected us when everything else fell apart. Today we live in this home full time. It's still a work in progress. We prioritize what we have to have over what we'd like to have, and we keep moving forward on our own timeline within our own budget. And we wouldn't trade it for anything. A Barndominium isn't the right path for everyone. Your situation is unique, and your path might look different than ours. But if you've ever looked at a Barndominium and thought, I wonder if I could ever afford that, or I wonder if I could do that, you probably can. We're not special, and we're definitely not wealthy. We're just regular people who wanted it bad enough to take action and finally do something about it. And that's what the 3 keys to affordable home ownership are all about: location, housing type, and financing options. We found land that we could afford because we were willing to expand our location search radius. We chose a Barndominium because it gave us the size we wanted at a price we could afford. And we used a combination of alternative financing tools because we weren't willing to bet everything on a 30-year mortgage. Any one of these keys can unlock affordable home options. Combined, they can change everything for you, like they did for us. Want to learn more? Click the link.